Welcome to the Quality Check tutorial inside the Desire to Learn learning management system. In order to do a quality control check, the first thing you want to do is add a demo student. In order to do this, go to the top class list tab on the toolbar and click down. You'll see a new drop down menu. You want to click on the second button, Create Demo Account. Sometimes it takes a little second to process, so be patient with the system. After that, you will come down here and see the new demo student added, ZZ Student ZZ Demo. Click on the right down arrow next to the name. You will see this pop-up menu appear, and you want to click on the second option down, which is Impersonate. It will give you this new confirmation window. You want to go ahead and click the blue Yes button. Now you will see that you are seeing the course from the ZZ Demo ZZ Student Fake Demo Student view. So you can go in and check some of the things you've done, such as the group that we added earlier. Now you can see that the group is here. We can click on the members of the group. And also we can come over to assessment, look at all this, just like a student, class list, grades. We can come down here, week 1 discussion. You can see that there's no grade here for this, but the grade is accessible. And in order to leave the ZZ Demo view, you just want to go ahead and where it says the name, click on that, and then next to impersonating, just go ahead and click the right X, and that will take you back to the instructor view. When doing a quality check inside of Desire to Learn, it is also important to do so from the instructor viewpoint. A good tool to use as an instructor for this purpose is the Update widget, which can be found here on the home page. This shows any new updates that have been made within the course. Next, you want to go ahead and check out the discussion assignment. So go ahead and click on Communication on the top toolbar and come down to the first tab and click on Discussions. You can click on Group 1 here to see who has posted inside of the discussion forum. This is in order to grade your students. Okay, and from here you can go to Grades on the top right toolbar. You can click on Week 1 Discussion. We're going to go ahead and do the drop down arrow to the right and enter grades. Here you will see your students for the course. You can go ahead and enter the grade value that the student deserves based on your grading system. Click in the grade column, enter the grades that you wish to give, and then come down here to the bottom left and click on the blue Save and Close option. It will ask you to confirm your saved changes. You want to click the blue Yes button, and then your changes will be saved, and you can see the calculated grades from this screen in front of you. And that is the last step to quality checking as an instructor.